Hey guys, it's Darren with Hollywood Classic Cars. This is our 1964 Jaguar XKE E-Type, and we want to show you how to put up and down the convertible top without damaging the seats or anything like that. So let's get into it. So anytime you're putting the top up or down, you need to tilt the seats forward because it interferes here. So there's a lever that you pull and the back will come forward out of the way so that you can lift up the top carefully. It pivots and down. And then to close it, you want to go inside of the car to do the latches. So this top has 3 latches, extra secure, but sometimes you have to make sure that they're all lined up and not binding. But the way these levers work is you pull them down and the little hook has to go underneath while the pin goes in the top. So sometimes you have to kind of force it in place, get the pin set, and then pull the lever. And go around and do that for all of them. These handles can help you line the pin up while you're pulling down. Just have to force it sometimes and get it lined up. There you go. So it may take a couple of tries, but once it's tight, it's very secure. It's a nice top. Just got to be patient with it. So once you're ready to put the top down, you're going to have to wiggle all 3 of these latches to make sure that it's loose. You may need to kind of reach in to the car, and the latches kind of always want to get caught. But eventually it'll come loose, and if tempting is to just throw it down, you have to make sure you move the seat forward to get the back out of the way. That's how it was designed, and that's what you have to do. So once the seat's moved, top will go down, and then it'll sit right there, and you can return the seat back to the reclined position. You're ready to drive. A common question we get is how to open the trunk, and it's pretty well hidden. So you want to move the seat forward, and you'll see a small knob behind the passenger seat that you pull.